Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. Are you ready for today's episode? Let's get into it. All right, we're here at the Dollar Tree in the frozen section. And look at what they have. Ribeye steak. I'm putting this bad boy in my basket and taking it home. I can't wait to cook this up. Let's go. We're back at the kitchen and we're ready to cook this bad boy up. Ribeye steak. I am so curious to see how this turns out. I can't wait. But first, I have to defrost it. I'm going to do that in some water. This process didn't take too long. It also floats. All right, I'm going to make my seasoned butter. I'm going to put in some garlic, some onion powder, and cilantro leaves. I'm going to give that a quick mix, and that's what it should look like. Fly away, little steak. Whoops, there we go. All right, yeah, I'm super curious about this. I can't wait to taste this. I'm not going to lie, when I saw it at the Dollar Tree, I was pretty stoked about cooking this, seeing what it tasted like. I have my pan ready to go. I have it pre-oiled and warmed. And I'm going to put my steak in. I'm going to turn the temperature up to 10. You know I found my place. Yeah! Actually, I didn't. I just put it on high. And it started to bubble for some reason. I have no idea what's going on here. I'm hoping that it goes away. For the most part, it did. When I did my first flip, I went ahead and added my seasoned butter. It's browning nicely. Kind of fell apart though. Yeah, it smells pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and baste it. And baste it some more.
Baste it real good.
And it browned up nicely. I did cook this steak well done. And let's plate. And it actually smells pretty darn good. Also, while I was at the Dollar Tree, I found some A1 Thick and Hearty sauce. I'm gonna put a little off to the side. And let's go ahead and make our first cut. It's surprisingly soft and tender. And yeah, that tastes pretty good. I'm shocked. One more piece for me. And that's good. And this steak was only $3. I looked at the receipt, I thought it was $5. Some A1 Thick and Hearty. Awesome. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.